Hello. In this expert video by Kevin Stratvert, you are going to learn how to use artificial intelligence, also known as AI, in Microsoft Excel. You are going to learn how to easily and quickly analyze data in Microsoft Excel. The Analyze Data action in Microsoft Excel enables you to ask questions about the data with natural language without having to write complicated formulas or code. This is an embedded tool and feature within Microsoft Excel. It provides visual summaries, trends, and patterns for a great starting off point for you to dive into your data to understand insights. It provides great suggested questions, or you can use it to ask your own questions. Stay tuned for next week's What the Tech tip. Click on Kevin's video, and I'll see you then.